Hi chat! Welcome to another stream. How we all doing today? It's not our normal stream day. Just figured I would hop on and press start stream, because fuck it, why not? It's Thursday, August 4th of 2022, and we are back for yet another stream. The plan for today is to try and fix deadsnakes. It has been emailing me every day for like, I don't know, 3 weeks now, and I haven't tried to fix it since we spent like 10 minutes on it a couple streams ago. So figure we'll do the hard work of trying to get it to work. Yeah, which is gonna suck, but we'll see how it goes. Did I say it's Tuesday? It's Thursday. I goofed. Did I goof? Well, I didn't. Well, that's whatever. Such is life. Let me say hi to everyone who's here. JJMC was first today. Hello, hello. Drug Time Lord says 41. What? What? What does that mean? Ormus is here as well. Rotez, welcome to the stream. Hello, hello. Friendship ended with Twitch. Now Dick Sword streaming is my best friend. Yeah, we tried streaming on Discord yesterday. It did not go well. It was bad. Like, the quality was terrible. The chat was kind of weird. I don't know. I guess it was an interesting experiment, but basically tells me we're not going to do that again. Yeah, because I don't know. It didn't go well. There is a VOD on YouTube, which is at full quality as opposed to the garbage quality that Discord was. But we got some stuff done. I fixed Flagate and Picode style, which was neat. Rollers is here. Hello, hello. On Nightly, good to see you. And Morsha is here. With a little lurk emote. Hello, hello. As a programmer, when you mentioned banging your head against the wall, period. Is there more to that sentence? So the setup tools removal is a big problem. It's not setup tools, it's just the setup.py. So CPython used to build half of its shit with makefile, half of its shit with setup.py, and now I believe it's entirely makefile. But Debian patched the setup.py in various ways. And I resolved the conflicts, but it's definitely not working. So we're gonna be we're gonna be trying to figure out what it's actually supposed to do, which is gonna suck, but I don't know, might be kind of fun. Yesterday at work, I sent somebody a message asking for them for confirmation on Geoticket, and they're gone today. Oh, that's funny, Ormus. Stonkfish is here. Hello, hello. Watching you on the computer is a lot easier than trying to watch on my phone. Yeah. Like Twitch on mobile fucking sucks. Well, hot take. All mobile apps suck. They're all bad. They're all some approximation of trying to use a computer in your hand, and using a computer in your hand fucking sucks. There, I said it. Phones were a mistake. I successfully added C-style for loops to Python thanks to a cursed codec. The feature f-string showcase video is a massive help. Oh no. Well, that's cool. Yeah. Yeah? I guess that would work. Do you just turn them into while loops? That's how I would do it. Bought my first car today. Neat, Ormus. What kind of car did you get? Plain text nerds, welcome to the stream. I think you said Thursday. I'm just concerned because it's not Monday or Saturday. It's true, it's true. We get a bonus stream. Little bonus stream. Buggy Robot. Hello, hello. Easy Light's also here. Haven't seen you in some time. Yeah, I know, right? But now you're here. How you doing? Benex says, watch your GitHub email video, which is very helpful, especially the end where you explain how to hide the email. Thanks. QQ. Hello, hello. Welcome. I'd take Electron sucks. I mean, it's good at what it does, but yeah, just gobble all of the RAMs. But yeah, bigger problem is the small screen. Yeah, but if you had a big screen, I mean, like, I don't. Yeah, I think doing some stuff on like a tablet is better. It's still kind of shit. Like touch optimized flows just kind of every designer's like, oh, well, we got to get rid of all the text. Then we have to have icons, and then they have to be small icons because we want lots of them. And then it's like, well, then I can't click on them. Ram's iPad. Thank you for the resub at 22 months. Holy shit, you're getting close to that 2 years. You toddler, you. How you doing? I thought he said electrons suck. Yeah, we only allow positively charged atoms in this stream. Isn't a hot tag? It's too accurate. Some people fucking love their phones. I hate mine. And my phone is huge. Like, we're talking about like big, it's like the size of my fucking face. But surprisingly easy. The only hard part was nested for loops. Recursion fixed it. Okay. All right. I'll take your word for it. Okay. Open source since last time, which I guess we'll cover the Dixord stream since barely, not many people showed up, and even if they showed up, they could barely tell what's going on. These are the 3 things that we've done since. Oh wait, no, one more. Yeah. This is what we did on stream, on the Discord stream, the awful Discord stream. We fixed parenthesized yields, which is gets used in generated coroutines by adding yet another special case to this if chain here, and just 2 quick test cases that demonstrated that. We changed Flake 8 to require a new enough version of import lib meet data, because older versions of meet data have pickle errors, which is just fucking wonderful. Yeah. And then we released PyCode style, and this morning I improved the sorting of a page in dumb PyPI. And the reason that I did that is, look at this! Look at this! It's a PyPI server! I have the Sentry PyPI server working. And I was trying to make this page easier to understand. It's still not super understandable, but at least it's in the right order now. But yeah, I have made the Sentry PyPI, kind of. It needs a lot of work, but getting close to making our builds way faster. But I also improved the sorting on the changelog page because we had specialized sorting on all the package pages, but not on the changelog page, so I did that. Oh, hey! I know you! Welcome to the stream. First time I've been able to join it, and I love meat data, so... The funny part about that is, there was this... It was called service by name, but it was not actually a service. At Lyft, called meta service. And it was a way for people to set up repositories. Like, they would add a little YAML thingy to meta service, and that would be how they would get a repository. And I hated the name meta service, and so my malicious compliance was to rename the service to meet service and then rename it back to meta service, so then I could canonically refer to it as the meet service. And other people thought this was funny and started to also refer to it as meet service. I did a few others as well. What were some of the other ones? Oh, we had a rebuild called OpsBase, which I renamed to OopsBay. that one I don't have a reason for it. I just thought it was funny. But there are like 4 or 5 that because GitHub will redirect them. Like for instance, I can never remember whether this repository, well, I know it's underscores, but previous to typing it in 100 times, I couldn't remember whether it was underscores or dashes. So if you rename it to the other and then rename it back, you get redirects automatically. So then I don't have to think about whether it's did I do the mixed ones too? No. But then I don't have to think about it, which is awesome. RY and a bunch of, I presume L's or I's, says I have the exact keyboard. Switch back to my Leopold Tupper though. I don't know what that means. Have you seen the Advantage 360? I have, but I am not good enough at the weird cup keyboards to actually to properly use them, because I don't know, I cheat when I type. I type very quickly, but I cheat when I type. Like I basically only use, oh, my camera's zoomed out today. That's the opposite direction. There we go. I only use these fingers. Oh, it might just be that it's angled poorly. What I get for oh no, that's the wrong way. Fuck it, I'm not gonna mess with it. It's just gonna stay. MD Tro, hello, welcome. How you doing? Hey, I know you too. Karmarku, how's it going? I'd sign up for Anthon's meat service. Marsha, are you just trying to get bonked here? Oh, Orva's bonked. Perfect. Fenix says, could you do a video on moduling? Packaging in Python. Like, what's a good folder structure? What's a good way to provide your functionality in a module? So I kind of have some videos similar to that. Oh, actually, github.anthonywritescode-vods. Hey. That's slower than clicking this bookmark that I have right here, but I have one video about the source layout. I don't actually use the source layout because I find it to be, I don't make the mistakes that it causes, that it solves. Well, I have made the mistake, but I don't anymore. And setup tools makes it really hard to make that mistake now. So this talks about packaging layout. There's also, I believe, my most viewed video now. Actually, is it? It definitely gets the most continuous views. Let's see, content, view count. Yeah, it has just passed on my other videos. Declarative metadata setup.py talks about that stuff there. Oh, why is this not reconnecting? There's also this video, which goes over how I organize my projects and the tools that I use for them. And then there's some video about making a command line, but I don't remember which one it is. And those are kind of the things that I smash together to make my packages, kind of. I have a whole parody song of Ashley Simpson's Pieces of Me that is pieces of meat. Oh no. Should have seen the meat data opportunity sooner. Yeah. Moduling. Yeah, that word just broke my brain. On a Monday I eat turkey, and on Tuesday I eat ham, and on Wednesday I can't eat. There's only one way to make valid Python packages: copy someone else's structure and keep copying that into new projects. Yeah, that's kind of what I do. Although I think I made the original one. Cortisol92, thank you for the follow. Welcome. And Andrew Costa, thank you for the resub at 7 months. It's good to see you again. Hopefully you're doing well. Goliath says hamster. Why? Why do you say hamster? What is hamster? Why are there so many Google image results for it? What is this? Refers to a series of videos centered around a picture of a frightened looking hamster. Huh. Weird. I've never heard of hamster. But we use cookie cutter at work. Yeah, I've used cookie cutter before. The problem with like basically every one of those tools is there's no good way to change the template without everything slightly drifting. Like Cookie Cutter, Yeoman. Where are the other ones? There's like 3 or 4 of them. Song is good. Very quiet. Oh, it's just very quiet. But yeah, I don't know. Project templating is kind of tough. And it's hard to like. I've tried to make tools that are like project or template out a project and then update it over time, but I've never made one that I have been very happy about. Use all repos to change cookie cutter along with your projects. Yeah, that's basically what I've resorted to, but I do it with cp-r instead of actual cookie cutter because cp-r is somehow more reliable. Anyway, yeah, so that's why I did this today. Nice when you can reduce the amount of code. So reduce this line, add a little minus, remove dot package. Well, I added a big test, but anyway, that's what I've done in open source since last time. And now we're gonna see how much sadness I'm going to need to make this work. Okay, so we did work on this last time, where we resolved the merge conflicts, but then I was like, well, I don't know what to do next. So we are going to slowly debug through things again and figure out precisely what the old code was doing and what the new code is doing, and hopefully fix this. How much alcohol you get? I don't know that I have enough in my house for that. Although I did order a bunch of wine, so that'll be coming at some point. But the other thing that we might do is take a look at how Fedora packages this, because I think they might have already. They're usually as ahead of the curve as I am. Fedora, Python, maybe they haven't. Maybe I'll be the first one that does this. What if we search 3.1? Yeah, that's what I want. I don't actually know anything about Fedora. Where do they store their RPM source? RPM source. Here? rpmfind.net. This seems a little sketch and probably not what I'm looking for, but it does list 3.11. Why is this red? What does that mean? Is there a key somewhere? This one's red also. I mean, it says 390X, so it probably should be red. Okay, they have 311. What happens if I click on this? Download.fedoraproject.org. Oh, I didn't want to actually do that. No. I don't know what's in my downloads. You're gonna look at my face for a little bit while I open up my downloads. There's probably nothing in there that's... Oh, where did that window open? Hello? Go in folder. What? Cancel? Oh. It did finally open. I think I just never finished downloading for some reason. What is this file? I don't think there's anything lewd in here. There's a there's a torrent for Ubuntu 19.10. Why would I have downloaded Ubuntu 19.10? There is this file called indoor waterfall demo 384k1.mp WMV. Shall we click on that one? What? I seem to remember in the middle of this, it just goes, demo. Demo. Where's the part where it just says demo over and over? Is it? Maybe it's at the end? Oh, the sound effects, the video editing here. Anyway, that's from precommitwithoutthedash.com, which takes you to this website, waterfalls-n-ponds.com, which then, if you remove the /precommit, you get one of these pondpage.htm. I think it's this one. Damn, you can pay $7 to download a PDF. Oh. Demonstration video. Wait, what is the 56 kbps demonstration video? It's gonna be like 2 pixels. If that was the cable download. Oh, what even? Ethan's here. Hello, hello. Welcome, welcome. You hear about GitLab removing repos that haven't had a commit in the last year? I did. Which is just like such a weird thing to announce publicly. Is there any Anthony Rule 34? I hope not. Hope no one has made Rule 34 of me. I see a lot of Linux ISOs, and 1910 is one of the most popular. Why though? Such a weird, like, short-term release. 12 terabytes? God damn. That accent could cut glass? Well, yeah. Presumably they're from the south. I'm kind of curious what the low quality one is. Like, how much worse? It's 1/4 of the size. Oh my god. It's tiny. Ugh. Look at all those pixels. Because the DMCA? Yeah. 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 Hi, Fade. Hello, hello. Salty Man, welcome to the stream. What language do you speak? English? I'm on high. Okay. This has got to be Google Translate, right? I'm a Rails developer who feels dead inside. Well, yeah, if you're working on the Rails. I'm too young, 25 years old. I don't understand what I need to do. Golang or go to Node.js. I feel like this has to have gone through Google Translate because this is a word scramble. I don't know. Build projects, figure stuff out, make it happen. 2001, what a time. Yeah, hey, what's up, Jean Mega? Hello, hello. Not a copy pasta? Yeah, I got the feeling. But, yeah. My share ratio on 1804 is like 800. Nice. Nice. You know, back when I used to pirate stuff, I try to keep mine around 10. But or allegedly pirate stuff, because why is Brigman go to this website? I don't know. I've contacted them. I'm like, hey, I'll drop 1,000 if you want to give me your domain. But yeah. Their website hasn't been updated since 2007. They're renewing it though. I wonder if I mean, given that they don't seem to be the most technologically savvy, maybe I can look them up on the Whois, which until somebody pronounce Whois out loud to me, I had always said it inside my head as Wois. A Wois lookup. Never really connecting the dots that, oh yeah, who is? Right. That would make way more sense. Oh, they do. Huh. Oh, it's registered through GoDaddy. Yeah, so they have their privacy set up. Oh, that's annoying. Oh, I bet GoDaddy often has like a make an offer on this domain. Oh. The contact. Oh wait, no, that's the. Okay, so they've set up a holding company that has registered this. Want to buy this domain? Yeah, I do. I do want to buy this domain. Broker service fee $69. I will fuck around with that some other day. Sign a job offer in the UK. Nice, congrats, Jel Mega. Good to hear. Good to hear. Pretty sure the site is hosted on AWS. Ping. AWS Global Accelerator. I've never heard of this. What is this? I just want to search for it. Huh. Literally a AWS service I've never heard of. Global Accelerator, you're provided with 2 global static public IPs. Weird. Oh, I missed the notification. Octavius! Yo! Thank you for the resub at 18 months, which gets you a fancy new badge. How are you doing? Good to see you again. Welcome back. Why would they want that domain? What am I missing here? Beats me. You saw that site and you're like, $1,000 is gonna blow these motherfuckers' minds? Yeah, 100%. Yep. Uh-huh. Yep. The fun thing I've seen I'm probably gonna have to do for the visa is an English test. Because I'm not from an English speaking country. You should be fine. Are they gonna say whiz? Yeah. Yeah. Have you done the whizzing? They're all private? Yeah. The whizzing? Yeah, GoDaddy. What a I mean, they really leaned into their kind of questionable naming with their aggressive ad stuff. Wait, what is micro domains? Oh my. There are 3 letters? Oh, I see. Why would $13 million? Yeah, this would break the bank. About 4-letter ones. Huh. I'm surprised these are available. It's surely someone would have found a reason to buy 4j.new. Excellent! That's a great name. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. There are at least another 472 AWS services you haven't heard of. Yeah. Yeah. And hello again, Octavius. The issue with that test is that it will be British English. I'm used to American English. Oh. Yeah. Yeah, that might be a fun one. Though surely, like, really you're not going to be able to fail an English test because you know a different dialect of English. Like, they're not going to be like... Never mind, I was gonna say something insensitive. We're not gonna do that. We're walking on a pavement, not a sidewalk. Oh, Pigment.io. I just want the .com one. Dungeon Precum.it. I don't think you can register IT domains. Unless you're in Italy. I'm pretty sure it's restricted. That was not what I searched for. I wanted. Restriction. The individual organization must be a citizen or resident. European Economic Area, the Vatican State, the Republic of San Marino, and the Swiss Confederation. So, yeah. I don't qualify for any of those. Annoyingly. Who needs a house so you can get a 3-letter domain name? Yeah. Yep. Yep. Ewo Unside says, do you always type the full path when working with ARMRF? No. I feel like typing the full path would be riskier rather than decreasing risk. King Herman, welcome to the stream. Because like if you're running like RMRF, home, and then you sneeze and press the enter key, you're gonna have a bad time. Did you read the actual use part though? No. Very popular in Italy. Commonly used as a domain hack in English-speaking countries. Used by Reddit. Birds! Too bad you just moved. You can't move again. Not with that attitude. GPAM, welcome to the stream. Hello. Are you gay? I am not. Are you Japanese? Interesting. We're just going after everything today, aren't we? My country is used in a domain name u2.be. I think Marsha is just playing a little laugh there. Yes, BE. Are you Babby? I thought it was algebra. Kramer SV is also not Japanese. Whoa. Wait, what is prehousesale.com? Oh. Just in case they don't own that one. It looks like they do. It just took forever to redirect. Oh, it's probably running on Lambda? It's probably a Lambda. Somehow they have these ever so slightly different. Not quit ready? I'm not quit ready. Thank you for the follow, GPEM. Appreciate it. Welcome. Want to build, but you still own a house? Want to compete with other houses, but yours still needs some work? Pre-house sale. There is literally no way this has accurate content. Yeah, this is from like 2015. Come on, they could clearly give me their domain, right? Sold! This is realty websites before realty websites were a thing. Oh, it has a 2.5 attached garage though. I just feel like half attached garages are just kind of a scam. Like, what is this half? It's either 2 or 3. You can't have 2.5 cars. That doesn't work. But also whenever they list acreage in square feet, it's like, or when they add the garage as part of their square feet, you're like, really though? Really? But yeah. What does this button do? Create a Word document by right-click and save target as on this link. Your zip code -street address.doc. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna download a random Word document from our website. Okay, anyway. It seems like Fedora has not packaged 3.12. Where are their outputs on this? So we will not be able to figure out what Fedora has done, sadly. 2015 on a 90s site? Oh wait, yeah, it did say 2015. Huh. But the copyright date at the bottom said 2007. I wake up every day hoping to be quit ready, but I never am. Yeah. Yeah. Stelios TV, welcome, welcome. More like a 1990 website, yeah. Silly Simulator, that's a great name. Welcome, welcome. A bike? But even if it's 2.5, like, it's 2.5 cars. A bunch of storage space, the room to get out of your car. A true two-car garage leaves no space to even open doors. So my house is a two-car garage, but if I park 2 cars in it, I could definitely open doors. So when they use Squift, posted by a European, yeah, yeah, Squift, yeah, I like Squift better. Okay, so I believe that we had this failing, and it fails pretty quickly, and we can in theory start debugging it. 2 US and 1 European car? It'd probably have to be the other way around to be a 2.5 car garage. Although my last apartment, the garage was like extremely narrow but very deep. And you know, we haven't ADC painted in a while, so we'll I mean it kind of looked like that. So even my like fairly large car, like the garage was like this. And there's like also like a weird offshoot room over here, which I don't know about. I don't know why that was there. But my car, which was fairly big, only took up like this much space in the garage. I probably could have parked 2 cars if the other one. Well, actually, it's probably more like this. I probably could have parked a short car behind it. But yeah. We're just gonna post this without context on Twitter. Although Twitter still hasn't fixed their bug where it shows your phone number in just fucking the clear for no goddamn reason. So I'm gonna open Twitter off stream. And then I learned that you also have to wait. You also have to wait a little bit. Yep. Okay, now we're good. Copy and paste. Post without context. Perfect. 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 Okay, now we're back to our regularly scheduled program. Oh, Control W doesn't quit here. Sekuft? What? Did you just draw an iPod? Kinda. Of a weird car? Yeah. Yeah. Just add an ad block rule to block the phone number element? Yeah, that would be a good call. The problem is it only shows up like once a month. So I gotta pay close attention to when it happens. Yeah, this is the other thing that's gonna suck about reproducing this is look at how long it's taking to fail. Oh, Sequift. Like sequel. Time Traveler, hello, hello, welcome, welcome. Is this what you're looking for? Kinda, but I was looking for the 3.12 version. Is the 3.11 version. Yeah. 3.11 doesn't have this problem yet. They will have to solve it, but not yet. Pull requests. Supposed to list allowed bad funks. Bad funks. Oh hey. Their handle on Fedora is churchyard. I see. Interesting. Don't we all? Ugh. I'm surprised this isn't failed yet. C, C++, C sharp, C quoft, C Arvin, C spot run. Yeah. Fix Jake says, I've had a fucking day. Figuring out networking with static IPs to VMs in Proxmox makes me miss the cloud. I went in like, oh, I'm gonna learn bare metal stuff, and here I see Octothorpe. Yeah, there you go. Mid Journey Lover, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hope you're doing well. Octothorpe, yeah, here you go, Marcia. Or like, see y'all, I'm going to bed. Well, thank you for stopping by, Kramer. Kramer SV, good to see you as always. Usamaz, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Have you failed yet? No? How though? The build gets reasonably far. You mean you don't pronounce it squirrel? What do you mean, Elfenrod? Are you saying that because you know that one of my favorite YouTube videos of all time is German saying squirrel? Or are you coincidentally making some sort of squirrel joke? Squirrel. Squirrel. Oh. You know, it could also be the Frozen module change. Although, didn't the Frozen module change happen in 3.11? Isn't this a Frozen module now? Yeah, okay. So, it's probably not that. How do you pronounce... Math.squirt? Obviously. How could you pronounce it any other way? Whisper, hello, hello. Oh boy, another deadsnakes fixing stream? Yeah, this one's bad though, because usually I kind of have an idea. But, today I don't. Also, why is it so slow? What is going on? I guess it's linking a giant blob together. Oh, there we go. Now it fails. Okay. Here, async IO is missing. What is this coming from? The following modules were built successfully but were removed because they could not be imported. You know, math had a frexp function to turn any number into x times 2 to the y. Isn't that just like invert log 2? John MV1, hello, hello, welcome, welcome. Good to see you again. Just do your builds on AWS Global Accelerator to speed up the process. You know, actually, if I make an EC2 instance, it probably would be faster. Because my computer is from 2018, and like, what do I even have in this? Like an 8th generation i7. They're on generation 12 now. So, yeah. Oh, is it? This is fake. This is super fake. I turn off my computer every day. Minutes, hours, days? This is super fake. Why does it think it has 112 days of uptime? No. You don't restart? I do complete shutdown though. Shutdown has extra deep sleep in Windows 10. Really? Really? What? Really? No way. No way. Is it actually a sleep? How do I find information on this? Because there's Hibernate, which is different. It's like Hibernate Plus. You have fast boot enabled, saves memory to disk. Oh, that's gonna like fucking destroy my SSDs. Windows sleep states. Oh boy. System in one of these states, blah 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 blah. Unlike a system in the shutdown state. Retains memory state either in RAM or on disk. It like logs me out and closes all the programs. Huh. Wow. Today I learned. Fucking wild. Just unplug, yeah. Well, that's the other thing that's fake about this number two is oh, where'd the number go? Like, I have literally unplugged. Because I moved house. I guess this number only changes if you restart, like do a full restart. Because like everything was powered off, very powered off. Jake Programming, welcome, welcome. Wild. Very wild. In some ways like a power off. Uptime is not that accurate. Well, this is okay. Sleep, other sleep, hibernate, soft off. Yeah, I guess this is what I have. This is what I do. Wild. Okay. Anyway, today I learned. You have to restart or hard power off. If you're storing memory on disk, then the uptime is always saved for the next startup. But I don't think soft off saves the memory to disk. This is a full shutdown and boot cycle. Disabling fast startup will turn it off? Well, I don't care enough to bother. Okay, so we have to figure out why it thinks these are missing. I think it's because the libdir is different than what it expects. That's my hunch, because that's what the patch that got deleted is about. So I think we have to do this whole process again, but watch it actually run by typing the commands out manually instead of running my scripts. At least that's what I'm going to try. Funbugs build. Oh, this does a lot of stuff, doesn't it? Oh, we can just break a point here. Yeah. Okay, P commands. Holy shit. Schlex. P brand Schlex. Not a join command. Go. Yes, okay. Good, good, good. We run bash. Code read-only. Good. Okay, so everything's read-only, so in theory we can blow stuff away and start over if we fuck it up. Okay. Seems like a good chunk to run. Ooh. Ooh. Juice! Thank you for the resub at 27 months. Holy shit. How you doing? Welcome back. Good to see you again. By the way, Twitch support never got back to me about the trademark account. which sucks. Shivalani, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hope you're doing well. Liberals ruin country, yeah. Get wrecked, yeah. Well, such is life, I guess. But how are you? How are you doing? How's life? Aren't you streaming? Did you say you were going to stream today, or is that fake news? Are you going to TwitchCon? Yeah, I bought my tickets. I couldn't cancel my hotel, so I guess we'll run this one next. What? Why didn't that work? Oh, because it probably gobbled all the output. I guess we'll rerun this and see what this did. I think this one already ran. Yeah. Oh, we're in the right directory. Yeah. We have done this. Let's rerun this just to make sure. I'm gonna stream after my last two meetings. Oh no, it's okay. We can get COVID together. I mean, we're gonna get COVID either there or at the emo COVID fire festival. Never had a streamer call my name. I say hi to everybody. Welcome to the stream. Make us unlikely to get COVID again. Yeah. Oh, I know why that didn't work, is because these quotes are extra quoted. I gotta unextra quote the quotes. Probably. We gotta just normal the quotes. Yeah? Mibs? Try that. Oh, got further. Yo, dog, I heard your like quotes, yeah. Oh yeah, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna get COVID at least once this year. Which is unfortunate, but yeah. Hopefully it's not as bad as last time. Well, there's no way it'll be as bad as last time. Cause yeah, last time fucking sucked. Also when I had no healthcare. Amazing. Definitely what I wanted to sign up for. Oh my god, what are you doing? X Delta 3. GZip. Or is that what it is? What is ZGZ? Frankenstein's compressor. This program is an unholy combination of BSD gzip program, a modified GNU gzip that supports setting an arbitrary file name timestamp, and an old rotting version of bzip 2 that we dug up somewhere at midnight. What the fuck? Mr. Dude says, "Hey Anthony, how was your day? It was all right." Got a bunch of stuff done at work. I don't know. Things like home, I'm really glad I'm living in Germany because you have significantly better protocols than we do here. Anthunk's reading voice is my favorite. But it's, I don't know, it's more of my like slightly sarcastic reading voice because my normal reading voice is just, you know, normal reading voice. Oh, this is ruin compression. I'll do that for a second. Is this the forbidden knowledge of the hardcore GNU core? I think this is some random person's program. Or it's part of Perl? Is this what it's from? Perl? Is that how that works? Lean magnet dash L which Perl. No, it comes from pristine tar. Why does it say Perl on the bottom? Is this, I don't know enough about man. Why is there Perl here? Is this one gonna say Perl on the bottom? Why does it say Perl at the bottom? Oh shit, no, we don't need to see the Pawns video again. Why does man page say Perl? Perl actually stands for pathologically eclectic rubbish lister. What? Yeah. My guess is pristine tar. Source. My guess is this package comes from the Perl package. Like the Perl source. I don't want the man page. Launchpad, pristine, tar, jammy. What is your source package? What am I looking at? Jammy jellyfish. Look at a button. No, it is its own source package. Then why does it say Perl? I don't know. Sated Billow, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Let's just do ZGZ man page source. I bet they have Perl hard coded in that. I bet they copy pasted. ZGZ GitHub. I'm never gonna be able to find this. Pristine tar GitHub. This has 10 stars. There's no way it's this, right? Here's ZGZ. Old bzip 2. How the fuck did this pass the like Debian standards? Is the man page in here? Where's the man page? Rules. Man. Hmm. This is maybe too old to have a man page. Pristine tar source code. Oh, I can probably get it from here. As you can click this. No, that literally just took me to Jammy. Sorry. I want not the source package. How do I get the binary packages? I get it from the DSC. Packages, binary packages. Here we go. Impish. Why did it take me impish? Jammy. Hey, there we go. And then we can go to AMD 64, and then where's the DSC? Oh, actually, we had the DSC on the other one. Why is this so hard to find the thing that I'm looking for? There we go. Boop. Naheed, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Josh Triplett is a co-author. Wait, on what? On Pristine Tar? Oh, some of his work is included. Yeah. Since someone mentioned health insurance, when I moved to the UK, I need to leave my current German health insurance and I need to get NHS. The only positive things I heard about NHS is from Americans, so it does give me a lot of confidence. Yeah. Hey, Qualsy. Hello, hello. What is a .pod file? I've never heard of that. Oh, here's the man. This is the man. So why does it say Perl at the bottom? Does man just default to Perl if nothing else is there? I don't know anything about man pages is what I'm learning right now. Hidden! Welcome back. We need Anthony writes poems. I do write poetry. I'm not gonna show you any of it. Although we did read one on stream, didn't we? Maybe we can read. Do you want the sad poem hidden? We can read a sad poem. Where is that even? And no, I won't tell you what it's about. Watching Bird. Oh, you've got the link there. Alright, let's see if I can find it. Is it in this Google Drive? IRS letter. Ooh, that's a fun one. That's definitely not poetry though. Oh, you know, this doc is fairly outdated, but a pretty good one, to be honest. This is unrelated to the poetry. It's called Web Dev Stuff. It's oh wait, where's the rest of it? What? Where's the rest of this document? I have like a... Maybe that's not the right one. I have a document that's like, these are the topics that I think are important to know in computer science. And I made it like a decade ago, and it's actually not that far off. Where is that? That document is so good. Copy of web dev topics. Oh, here it is. Somebody must have vandalized the other version. These are the things that I thought were important in created date. Where's the created date? In 2015. I'll let you read that while I try and find the poetry. I'm pretty sure it's in a file called Untitled, which doesn't help me find it because I have like 20 files called Untitled. Oh, here it is. Yep, no, I definitely found it. Wait, he actually did commit to it? Whoa. Bring out the drinks? Yeah. Is it just me or does low latency Twitch get out of sync with video audio? Yeah, no, it's not just you. Is the program written in Perl? Oh. File which Z to Z. Nope, it is an ELF binary. Pristine tar. Oh, pristine tar is a Perl script. Okay, ready for the poem? Ready for the sad poem? Anyway, this is this document. Is this shared with the link? What did it say? Anyone with the link can access. Hopefully that means can read and not can write. Yeah. Okay, so anyone can. Here you go. Here's the things that I thought were important. Okay, poem. -R-D. Learn, push, forget. Missed train, found soul, convenient inconvenience, a missed soul. Distant walk, shrinking room, overwhelming fatigue, puzzle piece. Strolled on forth, squishy sidewalk, paved over with concrete, unforgiving. 1, 2, deep breath. 3, 4, 5. A jump for one more. A sudden outpour, a sudden downpour. No umbrella can keep me dry. Solemn parade, fade to black, streak of red. There's a place. Deconstructed construct, barren drawer, empty shelves, gone. Ultimate egg, wiggling, crackling, hatching, flash of color, blue. But it's all too late. Insertion of key, thrust of deadbolt, fleeting hope, crushed. Neighbor's home. Shitty poetry, scattered words, nothing rhymes without you. There's our poem. Is it AI generated? No, it's supposed to be cacophonic. That's the most people say elf? Really? See, these are the things where like I never hear them out loud, so I just that's how brain is. The background changes every stream? Oh, I guess if you haven't been here for a couple weeks, then perhaps. Segacidal, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Okay. Build should have failed, and we should be able to poke around. Wait, no, this failed in a different place. Oh no, this is the same place. No, we're good. Yeah. This is problem. Build static. Build. Lib. Where the fuck is everything else? Where's the rest of the files? It just deleted everything. Following modules were built successfully but removed because they could not be imported, which is literally all of them. So maybe we should comment out whatever removes them and figure out why. And then try it again. Oops. Thank you for the follow. Welcome. Elf is the reason for dwarf? Last time there was a couch? Yeah, that was like a month ago. Dice Gorilla says, why is it complaining about OpenSL? Shouldn't that be available? Yeah, it is available. Something is very fucked with the build because it's deleting every module. So I basically just need to figure out why it's deleting every module and then fix it. And I think it's probably a configure option that I'm just missing. Because, let's see, where is it writing? Delete.a, yeah, makes sense. Where's the output here? Programs. That's probably not what we need. Let's go further up when it built the shared object files. This is another full Python build. Not that. Where's the .so builds? Maybe they're not there. Maybe that's what's missing. This is a bunch of object builds, so it's not this. What do we do here? No, this is still an object build. Oh, warning here. Function declaration isn't a prototype. Always inline might not be inlineable. Love that. This is the LTO. Wait, why? Oh yeah, LTO is on, but PGO is off. Wait, why is PGO on? PGO makes this way harder to debug, but I thought I turned off PGO. Oh, you know what? I'm pretty sure this doesn't do anything. We're not running the profiling. Okay, so it just doesn't build any of the shared objects. That's the problem that we have. So we're just missing whatever make target we're supposed to be running, I think is the problem. Maybe. Setup.py. Oh, I have no. No, you. So many people add me on LinkedIn, and I'm like, never heard of you. Why are you adding me? Yep, never heard of this person. With them. Clicks. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Okay, so this is the commit that has been all of the problems. Build parameters like headers and libraries are detected in configure script. Extensions are built by makefile. Most extensions use package config and fall back to manual detection. Yeah, okay. I had the best AWS recruiter add me on LinkedIn. Just messaged me saying like, hey, here's some roles. Let me know if you have any questions. And that was it. Oh my god, the AWS recruiters won't leave me alone. So this is just gone. Makefile pre-in. Ugh. We're gonna install Mabby in the container. Ugh. People always ask me like, "Oh, Anthony, do you ever get stuck on stuff?" And it's like, kind of no, but at the same time, sometimes it's like, I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. This is one of those cases where I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. But we're gonna try it out. Let's see what happens. Pip install Babby. Yeah, Babby. Okay, and now we can do this. Okay, so build static is the one that we're failing. Cases where you have no idea feel so rewarding when you figure out that one little thing. I think this is gonna be more than one little thing. Sadly. Stamps, stamp, build, static. Make build target. You can find out what this was supposed to be. Oh, actually, we saw it. It was way up at the top, right? Here's the configure line. That's kind of useful. Maybe. Here we go. The no argument. Stamps. Make build target. Okay, so let's just make all. Let's just make all. So what was the configure? Configure column. Where's my little scroll? Okay, so the configure call is bunch of junk. Okay. Prefix libdir. Also fine. How does it know that it's static though? What makes it a static build? This just looks like the standard configure argument. Does it configure twice? Did I maybe miss one of them? A little configure blob. This is related to this problem. I don't know if it's the same though. Let's scroll through the patch, see what we got here. So all is going to run build all, which old shared mods is just gone. Okay. Grips check shared mods, so we don't care about the WASM stuff. Shared mods, but I thought that was gone. Maybe this moves. Oh, old shared mods became shared mods. Okay, so I think if I understand the history on this correct, there was a push to migrate to setup.py, and then they were like, wait a minute, fuck setup.py, migrate away from setup.py. And so everything that wasn't in setup.py was considered an old module, but now it's the new old hotness. I'm curious what this file is. Is this the thing that deletes them? Checks shared and built-in extension modules. Verifies they have been built and they can be imported. Missing modules and failed imports are reported to the user. Shared extension files are renamed unfailed import. Renamed unfailed import. Okay. So we should be able to find them if they were renamed. Not seeing them anywhere, which maybe tells me they never got built. Actually, I think we saw that. I think we saw that they never got built. So what does the makefile look like? Where is the makefile? Oh, it's here. Oh. Did it loop? It did. So the thing that actually failed here is in Debian rules. Okay, so my guess is shared mods never runs here. Check clean source. What's this do? Check the source is clean when building out of source. Yeah, that's probably fine. Build Python. What are you set to? Build the exe should be 3.12, I think. Oh, empty string. Key. Okay, so we understand these parts so far. Platform. What does platform do? Ooh, we did see that in the failure. Right before it finished. Where was that? Oh, actually, we saw it here. And by we, I mean me. And by me, I mean... Did I see that? I could control F. Please. This? Oh, there we go. Okay, so there should be a file called platform somewhere. Oh yeah, this is right before we got the errors. Yay. Oh, we actually want to look at build make file. Make file. Right. Alias works, but everything else doesn't. Okay. Platform. Okay, so this definitely worked. And I'm feeling you looks wrong, but I don't know if it's wrong or not. Okay. Okay, so then it should have run shared mods. For mod and X shared mods, this must be some shell hack that I don't understand. Symlink // mod Target. Oh, what is this? Paired mods. Not defined anywhere.
Well, that would be the problem, wouldn't it?
The fuck is shared mod supposed to be? That is 100% the problem, though. Now I gotta figure out why. Their names will be collected in the make variable shared mods. Shared mod. Oh, is it get included at the top of the file? Is that why? The fuck? What the fuck? Why? Where templates into makefile and config.c shared mods. I see you're having fun. Oh, how's it going, Pablo? I'm not. I'm not having fun. I want off Mr. Bones' wild ride. I have scrolled through this before. This is the parse the weird setup file thing. I'm trying to release 3.11. I can switch places if you want. I don't want to say what I'm doing is more difficult, but I think you would be better at this, and I would be kind of okay at releasing 3.11. I don't think I'm very good at what I'm trying to do today. Other than trying to figure out what it should be doing and failing at that. Okay, so my current guess is the make setup call is missing, even though it says it runs unconditionally. I do not existist. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. The shared mods thing is added by make setup. Okay, I'm on the right track. I did have to change this call like 3 times during the 3.11 batch, so I'm guessing that something about this is also changing. This also makes me this because I don't see modules.standardlib in here anyway. Yeah, okay, so that is my current guess. Or ooh, yes, perhaps maybe this is one line patch. It goes between local and bootstrap. Imagine it's that simple. There's no way. There's no way it's that simple. Blah 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 blah. I think I might need .. on that too. I'm not sure. We can try it. Oh, that's the other thing about this is it destroys the working directory. Do this, and we'll just edit it in place. Debian rules. Modules. No. Setup. Where's the command? This one. Which I could probably just do dpackage build package rather than doing the get build package version of it. Let's actually because we care about this stuff. And now we wait again. And pray that we install the modules properly. I'm glad you confirmed I was on the right track though, Pablo. That gives me a little bit more confidence that this might actually work. For those of you in chat that don't know, Pablo is a celebrity who is our ever so fancy Python 3.11 release manager. Full invocation is models make setup -c config c.in setup standardlib bootstrap setup. Yeah, that looks right. That looks like what I have here. Except Debian builds out of tree, so one of these is .. and I probably need to also put .. on this one. I'm guessing. I'm not 100% certain on that. We'll find out pretty quickly though. Actually, we should have found out already because it's already in the makefile. So either it errored silently or it happened to get the right file. Yeah. We do this to avoid Oh. Shit. I should not have saved in that file. I thought I was outside of the module setup.lib. I remember when I learned C++, and no one told me, like, you know, in C++ you would type using namespace std all the time. And this was before like all of my programming had been basically self-taught up into this point, and so no one had ever, I had never heard any programming words said out loud at all up until this point, despite programming for probably, it's been 2011. I would have been 20 years old. Yeah, I had been writing code for 10 years and had never heard words said out loud. So it didn't click to me that STD stands for standard. I was just like, oh, I don't know what this is, but cool. I stick it at the top of every file. But I eventually learned. Oh, we're at the freeze point. Okay. Deep freeze may have added some global objects. Wait, what did that say? Don't know what that means. Make region global objects if needed. Namespace pollution fund for the whole family. It's true. Mix the pick. Mike's the pick. Welcome back. Hi in the rates code. Hi chat. Hi copy del keyword that I'm typing with that causing me to typo. Well, for the longest time, I used to use a $10 Logitech keyboard, and I was just fine with that. But then a viewer came along and was like, "This is not acceptable." Oh no! Oh no! Click free up some disk space so we don't run out before it. Yeah, we probably don't need you either. Surely we don't need you. Why is the node 16 image almost a gigabyte? We fixed this on my new VM, I promise. 91%. Okay, that's a little bit better. Oh shit, did that delete my in progress container? Nope, okay, we're good. This particular tag was specifically so that I could fudge some output in a YouTube video. And this was to test a bug that's only present in 3.8.0. There we go. Okay, that'll be better. By the way, I remove LTO when iterating over the problem. Yeah, LTO takes forever. It's supposed to be off. PGO and LTO are both supposed to be off, so I'm not sure why they're on. Maybe I forgot to turn off LTO. I think PGO... Yeah, they're both supposed to be off. So... There's another bug somewhere. But... Good news, chat. We have gotten past where it crashed last time. Or your linker sucks? Yeah, it could just be that my computer is 4 years old and I'm actually running Windows and the linker is sad. Yeah, let's see. Well, this isn't actually a link line. Here's a... It has FLTO equals auto, so I don't know why that's on. Stop. If FLTO is yes, where are you getting this from? If with LTO, so if empty string. That is the only place that it's listed. Although, my make foo up to date, this is empty string, so this should be if empty string. We can just try it. Yeah, okay, so should be running the second comma. This button, hope that works. So it's not gonna run. Oh, so it's just gonna be empty string, I think. That's Coder, hello, hello. Is that NVim? It is not. But look at my bot doing the smarts. It knew exactly what you were asking. Look at this advanced AI that I've written. Don't worry, it's big fat regex in a trench coat. Okay, I feel like this is actually working, which is such a relief that it's a one-line patch that I have been putting off for almost a month, maybe more than a month. Holy shit, is that a bot? Yeah. yeah, you literally just talked to a bot. Do you want to see the code that powers that? This line. This magical little line here. It's because you said, what is the theme? What is the theme? And it ran this command. What web frameworks have you used? I have used, let's see. I believe the first one I used was Django. Then I used a home roll or a hand rolled homegrown. I mashed together hand rolled and hand rolled and homegrown. Gonna head out. Well, thank you for stopping by, Pablo, and thank you for your help. Appreciate it. See you around. Thank you for everything you do for Python. A hand rolled framework at Yelp, which was loosely based on WebOb. And then And then we gutted most of it and replaced parts of it with Pyramid, which Pyramid is based on WebOb. But WebOb and Pyramid are both web frameworks. Then I did a lot of Flask, and I still tend to use Flask when I want to do something new. I have tried Fast API. I have tried Bottle. I've tried Cherry. I have tried Sanic. Abstract X. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. I don't have really any expertise in anything that's not Pyramid or Flask, though. Those are the only two that I actually know well. How does it handle this? What is the are you doing? Yeah, I know. There's some absurdity that the regex allows that get you some wild outputs, but yeah. Zero Cosmos for you. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Abstract X says, hello, I'm learning me too, Python. Cool. I asked the default question. Yeah, you're also missing blue orb. We've got blue ball and blue button and blue thing. I don't know that anyone has ever asked, what is this blue orb? Until you type it in chat immediately after I say that. But there is another... There's supposed to be a, like, is this Vim? Like, I'm pretty sure if you say, is this Vim? It says, no. How does that work? Oh, I bet it's in here. Because we specialized it. Yeah. Wait, where does this come from? How does it work? Where's the Vim one? Is it in here? It might be in here. Oh yeah, here we go. Maybe I should add a, this doesn't belong here, but ordering is important. Yeah, really fix that at some point. There we go. Now we can do, is this and Vim? Yeah. Shaz! Hello, hello, welcome. Get poll. Music is stopped. Resume. No, this is not NVim. Learn you a Python for a greater good, says Mahir. Yes, like the Haskells. Databasics, level, welcome. Holy shit. 27 months, Shaz. 27 months. My goodness. Oh, it's Citrus is here. Anthony. Yeah, sometimes we get the Anthony onto the stream. I just got back from work, so I will lurk. Sounds good, sounds good. Did you intend to rhyme that? Because you rhymed that quite well. Briox is also here. Hello, hello. You prefer Ubuntu or Arch Linux? You tell me. You tell me, Abstract. Which do you think I prefer? Also, I'm surprised that didn't trigger the bot. But probably because this word is too advanced English for the bot to understand. Oh shit! It's at the end where it spits out these hashes for I don't know why. I literally don't know what these are. Hope they're not secrets. This is clearly Ubuntu themed Arch. Could you imagine? Look at your desktop, I would say Ubuntu. An astute observation. Because you need hashes? I don't know what they are though. I kind of wish I knew what they are. find dev dash name. No, I don't think it's this. I have no idea what they are. It's fine. Oh my god, if it's a one line fix and that's it, then praise be. Praise fucking be. Okay, let's copy these out so that I can validate them. Where was my PDB session? I had the command. Here we go. Find max depth 1 type F. I see. Xargs replace shape dash to slash dist. And then ls dist, and we have this. And we can run quick test with dister dist source dots distrib code name Jimmy, and then we hope and pray. What's your favorite book for learning Linux? I don't know how to read, so I don't know. DistroTools warning, okay, very normal. Oh my god, it's working. Holy shit, it's installing pip. My goodness, we are running virtualenv. Wow. 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 Oh, why did it blow away my change here? Blurp, 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 blurp. Maybe I forgot to press save. Maybe I saved in the wrong place. Yes. Oop. Oop. Also build models in make setup. Wow. Wow. You are ahead by 97 commits. I think that means that I can push this and then rebuild and it'll work. What's Clutch? How you doing? Good to see you again. We also need to do the same on the other branch, which means I have to resolve the complex again. Unless I can figure out how to do this manually. What commit did I merge here? This one? In theory, I could merge this commit. Yeah, and then do the same patch shenanigans. Oh, and we can rebase that out because we don't actually need that. Runbooks nightly update branch. That's if it's already merged. Delete the tags. Make tags. We don't need that. Where's the merge? Oh, here it is. Okay, so we import patches first, then we merge, then we rebase. Let us try and do that. Ubuntu focal. GBP PQ import. GBP PQ or git checkout Ubuntu focal, and then we merge this, and then change the commit message. Git merge this. Can I do -m here? I'm quite surprised. And then we rebase, GBP PQ rebase. And now we fix all the problems. Yep. Ah, shit. How did we do this last time? Yeah, I think I'm gonna break sysconfig data, but this is upstream, so I think we do this. We have a diff here. Yeah, I think that's probably broken, but it'll be slightly better than what it was before. It'll be at least building. Am I in my new place? Yeah, I'm in my new stream room. Okay. Port. I keep typoing this command. All right. So in theory, if I click the rebuild button, then it will succeed. Oh god, why are there these other... What is this verified bundled pip and setup tools? No, don't run this. Stable. It's funny. Okay, there we go. This is what I actually expect to see, which is it's been failing for the last 3 weeks. Oh, I thought it was longer than that. But I've been so busy with moving and everything else that I just wake up every morning and delete the email. How do new work? No. Why make this run? Oh, does it not have? Do I have to just retry? Probably. I could have sworn I had workflow dispatch on this. Nope, apparently not. Just cron. Rerun all jobs. That's how my workday starts too. Wake up, delete the email. We'll fix that next week. Yeah, it's not the best strategy, but it kind of works. So shrugs. Okay. We wait for that to build. I don't know that I have anything else to work on. I can delete this for reals this time. You discovered a weird bug in OpenJDK 18 at work today. Apparently core adopts on certain ice-like xenons. Oh no. Oh no. Just certain processors? You're gonna have a fun time debugging that one. Here says, how long do you figure until pip 603 makes it into the standard library? Is there another frozen map that's gonna get doomed by Guido? last updated in 2019. Standard track for 3.9. And I would love for a Frozen Dictionary. I would love for a Frozen Dictionary, but I don't think this is ever gonna happen. Especially because it's hasn't been updated since 2019. I think there was a newer one even that was referencing this. Some of these tabs. Oh, that was the one where I meant to save it and didn't. For elastic cluster upgrade. Good. Sometime I have to go to bed. Well, thank you for stopping by, John Mega. Always good to see you. The verse says, "Can you sum up what is a frozen dick?" It's some states get really cold and it snows a bunch, and if you go outside, it's a dictionary that after creation cannot be modified. Anthony Goldson, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. It is a immutable dictionary. We have essentially an immutable list, which is a tuple, and we have an immutable set, which is a frozen set, but we don't have an equivalent for dictionaries. Have you played with flat buffers in Python? Is that one of those network protocol things? Probably at some point, but probably not enough to give you any advice or really even an opinion. Huh. No references to 603. I could have sworn there was a newer one, because I feel like someone else was drafting something up recently. Maybe I was maybe time is a circle, and I was thinking of this. This fucking asshole has just ruined it for everyone else. Dana, thank you for the amazing content. Appreciate it. Was not meant to dirty. That was all you. I know. I make content. It's content brain. I'm sorry. Oh. Well, those that do use it tend to use it as a hint only, such as declaring global or class level constants. They aren't really immutable since anyone can assign to the name. Just sounds like somebody who doesn't actually. Silver Starship, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. We found some other people the same issue. Hopefully you aren't leveraging AVX 512. Yeah, and running OpenSSL. Closed fixed. I like how instead of this they added mapping view, which is just broken in a whole bunch of weird ways. The Java developer team is saying there's a problem with Elastic. I don't see how you could write unless Elastic is like artisanally crafting JVM bytecode, then fine, maybe it's their fault. But if you're writing pure Java and it only crashes on a certain processor, I think that's probably the JVM's fault. What technology do you use? I use VirtualBox. if you do Thing OS or really even just ask a question about the operating system, I'm pretty sure the bot will tell you what's up there. What's the clutch you answered for yourself? That's funny. Oh, I see. Oh, I see. Maybe I was answering wrong. Like, who knows what's the clutch? Your answer was fine. Like, it's possible they were asking me about my virtual machine. It's possible they were asking you about your hosted VM, your although you did say KVM cluster, so they perhaps could have inferred from that. So I don't know. I could have sworn there was another path for this. 1.6. Wait, why don't we see 603 here? Did 603 not reference 416? Putting numbers here is so useless. Yeah. But yeah, I don't know that it'll ever I don't know that it'll ever happen. Sadly. Annoyingly. Grumblingly. Make sure I clean this up so that next time I don't wonder what the hell I did here. That. Oh, a couple streams ago, probably a couple months ago at this point, we set up GitHub Actions. I guess I didn't talk about this. I did do a little bit of open source. We set up GitHub Actions so that now I don't need to. I tend to not need to actually manually release deadsnakes. I can just go to here and type the version number in here, and it will just bump for me. We took a bit to get it set up the first time, but it worked great. I bumped to whatever the latest beta was a couple days ago. Beta 5, beta 6. I don't know. And it built the packages all nice and neat. We've applied all the microcode patches. Would be nice to not take the performance hit. Yeah. I think Ethan was talking about the OpenSSL AVX vulnerability. I could be wrong though. I think the side channel stuff is different. Yeah. An AVX 512 specific buffer overflow in OpenSSL 3. Which they were like, no, we don't need a CVE for that. And everyone was like, excuse me, what? Yeah, you do. Shit's fucked. Oh, you're thinking the instruction support could be different between different models. Okay. I was wrong. I was off. We were both wrong, yeah. Scroll bar is so messed up. I'm dragging the mouse off screen and it's eventually getting there. Wait, is it printing everything? Sometimes GitHub Actions will print everything twice, or 3 times, or 4 times. Side channel stuff gives me nightmares. Yeah. Yeah, I think about that stuff a lot too. I don't know how I feel about it. Other than terrified, other than, you know, what other speculative execution bugs are out there that people just haven't sat down and thought about with steady-handed magnetic needle? Is could be all sorts of shit going on there. Okay. Well, I have a bunch of people that potentially do Python here. Maybe one of you will know the answer to my question that I have not found an answer to, but I would like an answer to. I'm looking for a Python library preferably on PyPI. Well, because I can handcraft this myself if I really wanted to. Where if you build the library, it has both a C mode and a pure Python mode. And if the C mode fails to build, it'll just let you install it anyway. PyYAML used to be like this, but it doesn't quite work that way anymore. Because they bundle everything and they have wheels for all platforms. But if anyone knows a package that fits this description, I would love to know. I don't know of any library that would be pretty nice. Yeah, some of them work this way, mostly to support like PyPy, where purelib will be faster than the C extension anyway. So it's generally preferable to land in purelib land. The annoying thing about PyYAML is there are some behaviors that are slightly different whether you get the C library or not. Let's see if I can remember one of them. YAML dot dump. I think even dumper equals YAML dot C safe dumper. Print this. I think if you use this, you get a different output. No. It was something like that. I don't remember what it actually was. Lask TFT, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. And Green Boy Green Live. Green Boy Green? What a name. But yeah, there's some particular combinations of YAML where the safe dumper and the C safe dumper do different things. It's so frustrating. But anyway, sounds like the answer is no, and this thing probably isn't done yet, unless it's it's right at the last part. Okay, we're gonna let this finish, and then we'll figure out what to do next. I made that name up when I was 6 on Xbox because I like green, and Green Boy was taken. I mean, it's kind of a cool name. Yeah, my childhood name is way cringier than that, so I am one to talk. Speaking of that, we have not seen Knowledge in chat in a very, very long time. Who always likes to refer to me by my cringy name. But I should rebrand at some point, but I'm too lazy. I don't know, it's kind of a cool name. Have you changed your... Oh yeah, you have. Okay. I was like, you better have picked the green color for that specific reason, because otherwise there's a missed opportunity there. Although I feel like you picked the lime rather than the green. Like the green fits that better. I think Cinelipal's color is custom though, so sadly you can't end up with this this green. This green's a nice green. Cinelipal's has got a real good green. I like this green a lot. Come on. You're so close. I was gotta do the test part still. You'll just look at my GitHub, see Green Boy Green, and Control W. Why would they do that? Green Boy Green. Oh yeah, you gotta fix this then. You gotta fix that at least. High pixel API. Some Minecraft. But yeah, just change your icon, then you're good. Then you're fine. Also, there's not much green here. You're gonna need a little bit more green. Only good stuff is in private repos. Just like, it's public it. Who gives a shit? Yeah, you need more green. And my numbers have been slacking. We're no longer over 9,000, which is sad. But part of that is because I have been day jobbing. I have successfully avoided any Saturday or Sunday commits, so, wow, that's not true. Actually, I'm pretty sure that's completely false. I'm pretty sure I did a private contribution on one Sunday. Well, let's see. Let's see. Oh, maybe I shouldn't open that on screen. I'll just look at face. Because I don't know if it's going to open Slack, and Slack's not exactly public. So we're gonna look at my face while I log in and look at the thing. If the VM ever boots, bad password. Literally bad password. J. Logan, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. I actually hope that the Slack tab is not the one that's active because I don't want to look at Slack. Oh, okay, calendar is fine. Ah, fuck. Oh no. There's one on a Sunday. I goofed. But the number is also twice as big as what it looks like there, so. Oh, pretty productive. Do you like me wear a leather jacket? Yeah. But oh no. I logged in on a Sunday. Anyway. Alright. I'm gonna turn off my computer now. I dev talks. I do work on it a little bit. You call into meetings with the same setup? Yeah. Although usually what I do is I will open, because I can't, for whatever reason, I can't get our video I can't get Google I can't get Hangouts to work in Firefox, so I private tab in Chrome on the host machine. And Mike says, what is the difference between Python and C++? A lot. A lot. Tofu! Hello, hello, welcome, welcome. Yeah. Shit, did it finish? Complete job. Oh, in theory, this probably breaks whatever sysconfig nonsense, but I can fix that later. Sick. All right, cool. All right, now that we know that it works, let us do our little spiel, and then we'll send you off to another channel. My name is Anthony. I upload educational content to YouTube at youtube.com/anthonywritescode 3 times a week. You can actually now go to youtube.anthonywritescode.de, and that'll also take you to YouTube. Ooh, fancy. I normally stream Monday evenings and Saturday at noon. Today is a weird stream. I announce my streams in 2 places. One of those is twitter.com/codewithanthony. Would have been Anthony Writes Code. It would have been Anthony Writes Cod because names are too short, but yeah, it's sad. But yeah, follow me there for notifications on that. I also announce my streams on the Discord, which you are free to join. Nice little burrowing community. There's a beginners channel if you want to ask questions, and then there's a bunch of fun social channels that you can hang out in as well. But that is going to wrap us up for today. Let's go find someone to raid.